Many people struggle in relationships because of unresolved attachment wounds. Maybe you fear abandonment, have difficulty trusting others, withdraw emotionally, or find yourself repeating unhealthy relationship patterns. These challenges often stem from early attachment experiences. But the good news is they don't have to define your future. That's why I'm offering this online workshop. It's designed for people just like you. Maybe you've heard of the concept of attachment styles. Maybe you have an idea of what your attachment style is. And maybe you're wondering, what do I do about this so that I can have more meaningful relationships? This workshop is designed to help you recognize these patterns, heal your attachment wounds, and build deeper, more fulfilling connections with yourself and with others. I'm excited to provide these workshops as a way to support the real changes you're working toward. They're interactive, supportive, and practical, giving you tools you can use right away to create healthier relationships. I'd love for you to join me. You can register at the link below.